Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And so in today's video is a very exciting video. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, and there's just so much new Avon makeup that I have been getting, which is absolutely amazing. And I can't wait to share with you guys all this new amazing makeup, because Avon is known for their makeup, but they're coming out with real good stuff, people. But anyways, I am filming during the day with natural light in my living room. So if it kind of gets a little dim or sunny, just bear with me, you know, the sun is shining. So anyways, if you want to see what is in this video, then please keep on watching. So I zoomed you in a little bit closer to my face, but I just wanted to start off with like just this Magix tint. They have this magic stuff, and it is absolutely amazing. So they sent over the Magic primer, and this stuff is amazing. It smells so good. So it's got like kind of like not a greasy finish, but it's kind of like, because there's SPF in it, so it's a little bit more I guess you could say kind of sticky. So, and then they sent over light and medium foundation. This foundation, it's a tinted moisturizer, but it's pretty much, I wouldn't say full coverage, I would say to light to medium. Like, this is definitely buildable, and so I've been using light a lot. It's such a good color. I think it's perfect for my skin tone. They also continued on with the Magix. They came out with these super cute little wands, Magix wands. So they're like foundations, so they kind of like, you know what I mean, like they go on like that. So this one is in the color Chai, this one is in the color Marshmallow, which is a little bit more my color. It's a little lighter, so I might have to mix. I'm kind of in between shades, and I love that it clicks out. And then this is Amaretto. So they're kind of like dark. You can even use these as like contouring sticks, which I would totally use this for. Super cute. I'll list all the stuff in a blog post as well. So once you see this video, blog post will be out with the pictures and everything in between. So there's that, super cute. They also came out with a super cute mascara. So Avon Wash Off Waterproof Mascara. The wand is super gorgeous. As you can see, I really like it. I really like it because it separates the lashes and like provides a really good coat. And as well as they came out with an ink body pen, which is like a chubby pen. So if you want to get that liner, I really like it. It goes on really nice. So one of my faves. Doesn't really bleed out, so that's really good. Nothing is worse than when you have that. They also came out with these amazing glitter sticks, which I'm so excited about. So there's this gorgeous blue one, which I used for my Ursula picture on my Instagram. If you don't know, go follow me there. So they came out with the color Ultramarine, and then these ones are a little bit harder to show, or not show, but this darker one is in Bronze Age, and it's really nice. It's a darker shimmer, and this one is by far my favorite. This one is a Fool's Gold, which is like in my inner corner right now. I love this one because it's not as glittery as this one, so this is more shimmer, like shine. And then this one is in Peach Sapphire, and this one's a little bit more chunkier glitter. Just keep that in mind. And they also came out with some glimmer, are they called GlimmerSticks as well? GlimmerSticks eyeliners, and they are in the shades. So they're kind of like, if you can see, there's a green, like a forest green, a gold, and a brown. This brown is super nice for like a subtle kind of makeup look. And if you want to add a little bit of pop of color, these two are so gorgeous. So I'll just show you right here. They go on really nicely. So those are the GlimmerSticks. You guys, Avon came out with liquid lipsticks. You have no idea how amazing that is. If you know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love liquid lipsticks, and they have, I think, about 8 shades of these. And the one that I'm wearing on my lips, of course, is this bright one. It is in the shade, or in the color Driven, which is so gorgeous, like so gorgeous. So they also have Driven, they have Devoted, they have Ambitious, which is a perfect nude for just like workwear. And then they have Resolute, which is my favorite when I want to like add a little bit something when I'm going out. So these are so gorgeous. So liquid lipsticks, dry matte, super good formula, doesn't come off. I'm really impressed with Avon, like so impressed. You guys, I'm not done. This video is going to be really long because there's so much stuff, like blowing my mind. So the next thing we have is anti-pollution. So this is the new Avon Anew Neutralize. These are charcoal strips. So they're for your nose, which is super cute because I do need to do that for my pores because they are just terrible. Yeah, you use them for how long? 15 to 20 minutes, and then you just peel it off and your blackheads are all gone. So that is super cool. They also came out with 2 other packagings. This is the anti-pollution serum, and then the anti-pollution charcoal mask stick, which is super, super cute in a stick form. So it's like this, you don't really have to get like a brush or anything kind of dirty. So it's a twist top, and then you just, there's a plastic seal on it, but you just kind of put it all around, and then you leave it on for 10 minutes, and then you just rinse it off, and then that's it. What an easy mask, like in a tube form. And then the anti-pollution serum, which I am so excited to try. I cannot wait because I love serums. I'm trying to get more into that skincare, especially with the winter being super cold right now. So yeah, you can use it in AM and PM, smooth over cleansed skin, and that's it. So I cannot wait to try this little guy out. They came out with a fragrance, so it says Live Out Loud, which I think I smelled this one. Super cute packaging, like how cute. So I love the top. Oh, smells really good. Almost like a blooming bouquet, almost, but not the same as Dior, but super close. But I can't wait to put this on when I go out in the day. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yes, so good. Okay. Okay, we're almost done, but not really. We're almost done. Okay, the next thing is this cute little package guy. It's got a lot of good things in here. Okay, so it's a Deluxe Beauty Sampler, which I'm so thankful to get. It is Dr. Recovery Cream. There's a blending cream, a foaming cleanser, and a body scrub. I'm just gonna open this package right here. Open it. So the first thing, that is the big one, which I can't wait. It's a foaming cleanser. I always need a cleanser in my life, and this one, like, I don't see, like, it's in collaboration with the Face Shop, which is super good. So that's one thing. And then it comes with this body scrubber. As you can see, it's got like little beads on it in the bottle. Black Rose Body Scrub and Cleanser. So I can't wait to use this on my face for those pore areas. I feel like this is, oh, this is the Oil Blending Cream Anti-Aging Formula. Super cute little guy. Oh my God, it's in a cute little guy. Let's check it out. Oh, it's like really like, doesn't smell. I can't wait to use this. Made in Korea. Cool. And then there's this little guy that says Sika Recovery Cream. I don't know what a recovery cream means. Hey, you just put it on your face. Dr. Belmere. But anyways, so I also got this super cute pamphlet, which is Avon times the Face Shop, which is such a cool collaboration. So in the book, there's a bunch of like an introduction, and they have like new products that they're coming out with, and especially like ink lasting foundation. Oh my God, I can't wait to try that. Oh, there's also primers in different colors. Oh my God, I can't wait. Oh, and there's blushes, and there's like highlighters. Oh my God, and then there's lip. Okay, so these are lip tints. which I can't wait to try. Oh my god. So I'm wondering if that's what's in this box. This box is so cute. The packaging on this is like to die for. Yeah, there's just a bunch of serums and especially like just a bunch of stuff in this pamphlet. So I'm guessing I get a little taste from this box. I did get a foundation. Oh my god. Oh, I did get a primer. Okay, so the first thing, oh please. So the first things first is when you open it, like how glamorous is this? Let's talk about it. So we did get a fluffy flat velvet lipstick, fluffy pink. Oh my god, look at this. It like goes up like that. How cute. Okay, so it's a little bit sheer, but it's really, really pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this like on the regular. As well as here, there is a primer. It's a base. Yeah, so this is the primer. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. Is it like a dropper? Or is it like oh yeah, okay, so it's a pump. Perfect. I cannot wait to use this on my face, you guys. The makeup game is like, they're killing it right now. So the next thing is I got ink, lasting cushion, slim fit, oh, and ivory. I feel like that might be a little too light for me, but we shall see. Like, look how cute this is. Little cushion. Oh, foundation. Okay, so you open it and there's like a tab here to try it out. Okay, so it might be my color. Maybe. I hope it is. I'll just tuck that back in and we will try this. I can't wait. I'm gonna definitely use this with a beauty blender, that's for sure. And then the last thing is the blush, you guys. I'm so excited. I got coral. Oh my god. Such a good color. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. So this is, oh my god, same thing. It just opens like that and you pop it out and then the color is right there. If I can lift it. There it is. It matches. I'm definitely going to use this with maybe the sponge that it came with. But is the end of this video. I know this is definitely way too long. I'm already at like 15 minutes, I think. They came out with so much new product. I cannot wait to try everything. But like when this video comes out, I have already tried everything, obviously in the blog post as well as this video as unboxing. So exciting. I can't wait to like put all this to the test. But as I said, put things to the test and I am in love. You guys, they are up in their game, especially with the face shop, the body shop. Like that is, oh my god, they're not messing around. So with that being said, make sure you guys check it out. I will link everything linked down below of where to get the products, etc. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sitting on my living room and my couch and chatting with me. I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say, if you guys have tried stuff, and if there's anything you guys want to see in the next video, I would love to hear from you. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that stuff, and and we'll see you guys next week. Bye!